This is just what it takes. You have to be dedicated to this sport to succeed, because there's always something breaking, there's always something that needs adjustment, or there's always something that could be better. So we're gonna change the gears out on this thing and then head back to the track again and get her dialed in, because I'm tired of doing wheelies and I'm ready to go fast. Let's go. You guys ever like, oh yeah, that's gonna be real quick, yeah, we'll knock it out, and then you get under the car and you realize how much stuff is actually around it that you have to take off? Yeah. I love this car. I love this car. We're going to talk a little bit about Texas 2K. TX 2K, or whatever you call it. I like to call it Texas because, you know what? I'm from Texas and we call this Texas. This isn't TX 2K. We don't say Houston TX. Maybe in like Florida where they do FL 2K, maybe that's acceptable. But here, Texas, this is Texas 2K. Back to the point. We are going to be really busy. I had to ask permission from the wife in order to get out. And I am going to attempt to bring you 2 videos while Texas 2K is going on. All the boys are going to be out. Mike, Andy. Andy's actually, we're going to be picking up the Rat Rod pretty soon. He's going to be racing it at the drag event as well. And we'll be out there at the Roll Race Nationals just watching as well. So if you see us, come by, say hi. Andy will probably give you a hug, and we'll go from there. Anytime we come up here to work, all Andy wants to do is just talk. Are you done flapping your gums or what?
I'm not flapping anything. I was just saying the truth. You look like Kung Fu Panda.
Like what?
I'm gonna edit that. I'm gonna edit it out.
Yeah,
you know what's funny? That
he
only edits when he's like making fun of someone, but when I'm making fun of him, never makes the cut.
Yeah, guess what? That's just the deal.
Producer sucks.
Well, we got the car pretty close together, but it's just getting too late. Wife's calling, wants to know where I'm at. But we're close. And then we'll get this wrapped up Sunday early before we go, and then go race it. Man, I wish every race day was this way. I just gotta show up and drive. Everybody else does everything.
That's what I said earlier. He's like, this takes me off. I was like, what are we, Juan's personal pit crew or something?
Apparently so. Andy, from now on, you're in charge of getting the trailer ready for me.
Get your stupid ass car out of the shop and put it in the.
Are you hauling my shit or what?
Well, your clipper looks like it's on its last leg.
It is. Look who showed up finally.
How's it going?
MJ.
Got an invite.
MJ finally showed up.
Sounds like Hayden over here now.
We only invite him like every other day, but he never shows up.
Once.
And then Ricky Bobby himself.
You guys getting air back there?
Yeah, that's
the myth, the legend.
Hey Andy, will you put that hat up?
He's jerking.
And then this guy, he doesn't need an introduction. You said that your wife got mad at you and she called you 21 times?
Yeah.
And then she called me 10 times?
Yeah, she honestly thought we were street racing in your car and then we got in an accident. So she was like freaking out. She was probably calling. She was probably. Nope. Yeah, she was like assuming the word. She was probably calling my life insurance already, trying to cash in. Nothing's wrong with my husband. I think he's dead. Can I get the money?
Come to find out, HMP is closed. I don't know why.
Because look, I'll turn the AC on.
They decided to close anyways. So, backup plan. We're gonna go to Royal Purple Raceway. They're having like a tuner.
It's hot air, right?
Race or something like that. But they're allowing any make model to test and tune. All we need is 2 passes.
I got $10 that White gets his ass drugged by a little 4-bagger today.
There's no badass import that's gonna be.
didn't let go. Now he's pedaling. So what is it?
I said I pedaled the whole time.
Are you recording?
Hell yeah. Alright, we did our first hit, so I pedaled it because I felt like it was spinning, but they're saying I didn't, so it is what it is. We still ran alright, but second round we're gonna put a little more boost to it, go from there. Stuck in the pits still because somebody laid oil everywhere, so everyone's staring at the car right now.
All right, I got 3 names for the burnout contest. We need you to come up to the tower. You're going to be in it.
We took the hood off just
Also,
while we're waiting. Why
we'll
not?
go ahead.
I'm here one, the owner of the Bullet. Slowest car.
Go.
Cut.
Cut.
Or action.
Action.
And 3.
Can you tell us a little bit about your car?
I believe the 2 and outlaw. So we need you to the lane.
It's a 408. All right, go ahead. It's a 408. Okay, go ahead.
It's
The B16.
It's a twin 69 Borg Warner turbos.
All right, go ahead.
No nitrous, just boost.
Come here. Look at the middle gauge. He said there's no nitrous.
It's just there for looks.
Okay, so he's lying.
There's definitely nitrous.
So it's definitely nitrous. Can you show him the injector, Spectre?
See, we got so much nitrous here. That's a big nitrous solenoid. It's direct port. Action.
All right, so your car is about 700 to the wheels, right?
Roughly.
What if you come out here, you get killed by one of these tuner cars? How would you feel?
I only make 700, they make 800, so
Well, yeah, but you got all this spaceship looking stuff over here. Why would you do all that?
that's just for Instagram.
Oh, I get you. Instagram.
Yeah.
So that's another lie.
It's for the gram.
WS6, like,
Don't follow him, it's boring.
It wasn't going to be prepped entirely good, so that last pass, take the tires out a little. We did turn up the boost in the big end, so we got a little more good, a little better mile per hour, but looks like they're done. So we only got 2 passes under our belt today. It's all right. That's pretty much it. Getting ready for Texas 2K. We'll wait for Saturday on their qualifying, go test and really turn it up there, and then get ready for eliminations. But that's enough testing. Get ready for the event.
What are you about to do right now? We put some pimp juice